Hello everyone, I'm Chiara De Notaris from the Euro-Mediterranean Center on Climate Change, and in this module I will guide you through the process behind the development of the catalog of land-use-based adaptation and mitigation solutions, and we will learn how it can support climate change mitigation and adaptation actions. From now on, I'll refer to it as the LAMS Catalogue. As already presented in the previous modules of this course, the catalog tool is a core component of the RethinkAction platform. It gives users access to a structured inventory of 62 land-use-based adaptation and mitigation solutions, and it enables users to explore their characteristics, applications, and related documentation. While the data analysis features in the platform help visualize the climate risks in various regions, the LAMS Catalogue is the collection of solutions to address these challenges. By the end of this module, you will know more about LAMS, how they were identified, and how the information provided by the catalog can be used and interpreted. The module includes three main parts. The first one focusing on what are land-use-based adaptation and mitigation solutions, in short LAMS, creating a catalog of relevant LAMS, and using the RethinkAction LAMS catalog. Thank you.